Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I have no more intention of anything than to make a background. This is Artez's Golden Hour, and I'm going to just drop a bunch of colors onto the canvas. Don't worry about smearing them with a OXO omelet turning flip and fold. OXO, yeah, good grips. Spatula, over there. This is a combination of orange and yellow. This is jasmine. And Rhapsody Rose. And it really doesn't matter to me at this stage what happens. This is Whispering Wisteria. So long as I cover the canvas. This is DecoArt Iridescent Pearl. And anything could happen at this point. I wanted to use DecoArt Americana 24 karat gold. I don't think I've put all my colors down and started this way ever, but that could be a lie. I want to put some black in. Before I do that, I'm going to use some of this indigo teal. And what else? Frozen amethyst. I want some blue, but I think I'm going to wait. No, I've got perfect indigo, and I'm going to try some of that. I can always add black. I can always add white too. I've got some golden product, golden brand, iridescent gold. And since I found my orange crush, I want to use it in everything, so I'm going to do that too. There's a possibility of dancing fuchsia coming as well. Once I figured out I hadn't used it yet. No idea what's going to happen next. Well, maybe enough of an idea to use the dancing fuchsia. With the top off. Even if it's ugly, I will find a way to paint over it. I still want blue, but I'm still going to wait. I want to get these bottles out of my way. And now it's time to have some fun. I hope. Where to start? try and take my residuals and put them right down on the edge. I'm going to wish I hadn't put the orange and the teal together. I might want more of that. I think I do, actually. I don't want to just leave that handy. I'm just trying to fill in the gaps. Without running into the wall too many times. I might actually like this a lot. I should have painted the base canvas white. Once I have the initial paint droplets spread around, then I can do whatever I want as a next layer. Or not. Depends on how I feel about it, I guess. If I'd have done white first, I would have had some better negative space. I love the colors on my spatula. They're perfect to fill in. Although, now that I say that, I want to fill in with some orange crush. And I suppose I could take it tomorrow, and any of the gaps that are left that I want to fill in, I could put black in there. I could probably do it wet into wet, but I'm not sure how that would be. I'm thinking it might be fun just as it is, because I'm liking it a lot. Less is more as far as stroking goes, because the more you stroke, the more likely you are to mix colors into something unattractive, I think. I'm glad I put the white in. It gives me a little bit of negative space. I'm almost done with this stage. I think I used the right amount of color. And if I don't think so tomorrow, I'll be adding some more. I could use this as a background and use my toothy tools, my texture tools. I don't see that many white spaces. Trying to resist going overboard with the stroking. I'm going to scrape off my muck. And I'm thinking I might want to take color, although Rhapsody Rose is what I was thinking. There it is. Maybe a little bit of Perfect Indigo too. Alright, before I ruin what I like already, I'm going to try and bail. I didn't make too much brown and I'm happy about that. There should be a fair amount of shimmer. I'm still doing it, aren't I? Ooh, that was dangerous. Fortunately, it was mostly gold. And I'll scrape that off so I don't mute everything nice that I have already. I'm going to just keep swiping and scraping, which I don't necessarily recommend. Trying to be careful. Now the other thing you could do at this point is use your spatula to remove some paint. There's some paint I want to remove. Some paint I want to fill in. Keep scraping off. So I'm going to imagine this is a stage 1, but only because I really want to just add black tomorrow. I like this frozen amethyst color. I'm kind of inclined to add some more of that. Well, I still can. There we go. In any particular space I was I've got grit. Not the good kind either. Don't know where that came from. There, I don't mind that. I didn't hurt anything doing that. That was some pretty dancing fuchsia I just moved. I'd like to think I can do something with my residuals, but I'm not ready to take that kind of risk right yet. So, stage 1 or done? I don't know. Part of me wants to add the black, but part of me always wants to add the black. Try and keep my fingernails out of the painting. There we go. That's kind of fun. I still want more colors though. That's Orange Crush. You know what I didn't put in there? Was any saffron, and I want some now. Scrape off my spatula so I don't have too much muck. I like using the tip of the spatula to make a nice round end tip mark. The only thing I'm thinking now is that that teal would be good there. So once you get the basic started, then it's time to choose other colors if you want, I guess. Which I am still doing. contrast. Oh, I eradicated my teal. And it's almost time to quit before things get sticky. I could sprinkle gold in there. I like this. It's fun, it's cool, and it was fun to do. Yeah, that's gorgeous actually. It'll be really pretty when it dries because of all the gold too. Look at that. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to have to try this again and use that one as a background with black in the foreground, because this one's probably not getting painted over. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.